Good day, everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna do a drive. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah, open my GoPro also. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Good day. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Let me do a drive. It's good weather, but it's cold. 11 degrees. It's windy. Yeah, windy. It's nice sunshine. Yeah, we got nice sunshine. Yeah. I'm gonna do a drive here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Yeah. I'm gonna do my content again. Yeah. My content. I'm gonna stop here. Well, always friendly for the people. Yeah, we need to be always friendly over the people. Yeah. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Not a lot of traffic, I see. A lot of people walking here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Yeah. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah. Mama. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, that's true. It's a beautiful day, but it's cold. Yeah. It's too early for plants in my garden. It's too 11 degrees. It's still freezing at night. That's the biggest problem. Freezing at night. You cannot put yet. A lot of people put already flowers, but that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah. I'm gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna wait to April. April, and then I'm gonna start. The second week from April, I'm gonna start. Yeah. I'm gonna buy my plants. Not yet. I'm gonna wait. That's too early. I have done that 1 year. Everything was damaged. We're gonna wait. Yeah. We're gonna go drive. I was busy all day long, going to the store, doing everything. Now I want to drive a little bit. Yeah. So I'm relaxing again. No stress. We don't have stress, No, we don't have stress, No stress when I'm driving, No. Enjoy the view, Thank you very much, Thank you, Enjoy the view. Look, the trees are coming, The flowers on the trees are coming, That's good, Okay, the white. You see the white tree there? Very beautiful. That's beautiful. There's a Japanese tree. Yeah, Japanese tree. Very beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, the weather is better, that's correct. But, still cold. Yeah. Still cold. Yeah. I'm gonna be glad that is 20 degrees. That's perfect. 20 degrees. Then we can go with a bicycle, walking like that. Yeah. 11. No, it's too cold. 11. It's too cold. Don't want to come sick again. No. Yep. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Yeah. 50 here. I'm gonna drive 50 here. Yeah. Don't wanna pay again, no way.
Het ongeval is in Brussel de Kruidtuintunnel afgesloten richting Koekelberg. Je staat er meer dan een half uur in de file.
Always traffic. Yeah. I'm relaxing now, yeah. Don't driving too fast, no, why driving fast? Enjoying driving. Roxham, yeah. Beautiful place here also, yeah. Beautiful place. Big houses here, yeah, big houses. People with a lot of money, yeah. Yeah, people with a lot of money, yeah. Yeah, you get a lot of money, you can pay that, yeah. They're very big houses. Yeah. Busy working. Yeah. Beautiful weather, yeah. Beautiful weather. Cannot complain. No. Yesterday it was a little bit raining, yeah. Today is very beautiful. Yeah. You cannot complain. No. Yeah. Not too much traffic. It's okay. houses here. Yeah. Nice houses. Oh, yeah. Very quiet here. If you live here, very quiet. Yeah. You need to go to the big city for the stores. Yeah. You don't have a lot of stores here. No way. The sun is good, very good. The farmers are busy, yeah. The farmers, oh yeah. They've done a lot of work, yeah. They've done a lot of work. Cook, big house to cook. Nice place here also. Yeah. I'm not coming a lot here, no. It's near my place also, but I never come here. No. Never come as long, no. Yeah, working here also, man. Long time ago. Long time ago. It's good for my car, I drive a little bit. It's good for the car. Yeah. Good for everything. Yeah. In your car in the sunshine, that's not good, eh? It's the worst you can do for a car. Eh? Worst you can do for a car. Washing your car in the black the sunshine. It's not good. That's not good. Thank you for waiting. Waiting. Never have come down. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Yeah. It's a best. need to wait. Yeah, traffic. Like that. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Traffic. I'm gonna end here now. Thank you very much. Thank you.